So can you add song to playlist on your Audiomack app? We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just come to this list here, and here can you select music you want to here to add to playlist. I'm going to click to this music for example here, then it's going to show for you like this. Just click in this sign here, then it's going to show for you like this. Click here in this sign here, when just click on it, so then it's going to show for you this like this here. Then you go down, just click here on add to playlist, just click on it here. So then it's gone automatically to add, to take you to this list. Enter here a playlist name, you click on create, then it's going to add with you to playlist. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking